Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat. Today, we've got a battle of the titans in the world of robot vacuums and mops. In the left corner, we have the Narwal Freo, and in the right corner, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s. Let's get ready to rumble. All right, let's start with the thing that makes our wallets cry: the price. The Narwal Freo comes in at a whopping $1,399. That's right, folks, this robot better be able to clean up my emotional baggage for that price. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30s is a bit more gentle on your finances at $999. So if you're looking to save some cash for that vacation you'll never take, DEEBOT might be your guy. Next up, cleaning power. The Narwal Freo boasts its Dirtsense Ultra Clean technology, which sounds fancy enough to be a new kind of space tech. It detects just how dirty the mops are and sanitizes them with the perfect mix of water and cleaner. It's like having a robot that's also a neat, freak roommate. On the flip side, we've got the DEEBOT T30s flexing its muscles with an insane 11,000 pascals suction power. That's right, 11,000 pascals. This thing could probably vacuum up your regrets from last weekend. Plus, it's got zero tangle technology, which means no more wrestling with hair clumps. Sorry, Narwal, but DEEBOT takes this round. Can I get a whoop whoop for less maintenance? Now, let's talk about those pesky corners and edges. The Narwal Freo has its smart swing mopping and corner traps technology, which sounds like the name of a bad 90s dance move, but it actually does a great job cleaning those hard-to-reach spots. But wait, the DEEBOT T30s isn't backing down. It's got true edge adaptive edge mopping with 1 millimeter accuracy. Yes, 1 millimeter. This thing could probably thread a needle if it wanted to. So if you have a lot of corners that need love, DEEBOT might be the one for you. Next, we have mop drying and maintenance. The Narwal Freo features 3 mop drying modes with gentle heat, ensuring your mop pads are as fresh as your grandma's cookies. No foul smells here, but don't count DEEBOT T30s out just yet. It has an all-in-one OMNI station that not only dries, but also washes the mop with hot water, self-empties, and even refills the water. It's like having a personal butler for your robot butler. Mind blown. Last but not least, navigation and control. The Narwal Freo has a bit of a hiccup with its 2.4G Wi-Fi requirement. So if you're rocking that modern 5G life, you might need to downgrade a bit. Meanwhile, the DEEBOT T30s is like the James Bond of vacuums. Advanced navigation, obstacle avoidance, and you can control it with your voice, Apple Watch, or even a simple foot tap. It's practically begging to be your new best friend. Both the Narwal Freo and the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s have received positive feedback from users. Reviewers of the Narwal Freo praise its effective cleaning on hard surfaces, advanced navigation, and quiet operation. However, some note that it struggles with fully carpeted areas and light bathroom rugs. On the other hand, the ECOVACS DEEBOT T30s is lauded for its powerful suction, easy setup, and efficient mapping. Some concerns include its handling of power cords and lines on the ground. All right, smart shoppers, there you have it. Both the Narwal Freo and the DEEBOT T30s are fantastic in their own right. If you want a deeper clean and don't mind splurging, the Narwal Freo is your go-to. But if you're looking for power, efficiency, and a bit more bang for your buck, the DEEBOT T30s might just be your new cleaning buddy. So which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, keep it smart, and keep it clean. Product links are in the description.